In my 6th day of aloe and aroma challenge, fantastic improvement, both, not even a single strand of hair loss. I had such a hectic schedule yesterday, but my skin was glowing thanks to this challenge which worked so favorably. The aromatic drops with aloe. मैं आपको बता दूं, एलो फॉरेक्स स्पीसीज वाला ही एलोवेरा लेना है, हर कोई एलोवेरा नहीं लेना है. मैं इनफैक्ट ये चैलेंज विथ अरोमा ड्रॉप सिर्फ फेस हेयर पे नहीं, अपने फुट पर भी यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जो मैंने शेयर किया था आपके साथ. आई ऑल्सो रब माई फुट हियर. On my foot, I rub aloe vera. When you go through articles on the ancient Chinese medicine, how foot therapy is one of the most effective therapy. आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे. मतलब अपने एकता ब्यूटी सैलून एंड स्पा रन कर रहे, 10 years कंप्लीट हो गया, और हमारी एक स्टाफ को मैंने पर्सनली ट्रेन किया कि वी विल नॉट जस्ट गिव अ साबुन डिटर्जेंट वॉश का एक्सपीरियंस इन द नेम ऑफ पेडिक्योर. फैंसी किट्स खरीद लिया, फैंसी रेट रख दिया और उससे पेडिक्योर नहीं हुआ. एक्चुअली फुट के एक पॉइंट्स पे वर्क करना यूजिंग नेचुरल जेल्स, एरोमाज, ब्यूटी सॉल्ट्स, ड्राई हर्ब्स. व्हेन यू यूज ऑल दिस कंकॉक्शन, you will be more than surprised to see that not only you will have a clean feet, जो ऐसे भी आप कर सकते थे. More than the cleanliness, it's a health, it's a fitness, and it's the nutritional benefits that seep in. Based on reflexology, you can benefit so much by engaging in foot abhyanga. Not only at Ekta Beauty Spa, you can also do these practices at your home. Just like I'm doing here in Bangalore. I have a lot of tools. I always share, please invest in tools. So this tool, I massage it here. See. Whenever I have free time, the foot roller you've seen while giving a foot therapy, I keep doing this. Very beautiful experience. Very, very beautiful experience. I still remember 28 years I'm married to Arun. And during the initial, days of a marriage, he had just come up saying that your feet should be as kissable as your face. That day and today, even after 28 years, every day just like I work on my face, hair, I invest in my hand and my feet. It's a beauty regime for top to toe. Ayurveda says that if you encourage and indulge in practices which not only cleanses your skin externally but helps remove the ama property, ama yani ki toxins, unwanted, bad fluid from the body, you go closer to a disease-free body and a very nice state of mind. You are absolutely present in everything that you're engaged in. It's not part, it's a whole being. I feel so good, so blessed with the passion I have in this subject, the benefits I derive on my everyday living as I age. I know it's more of a beautiful process, a meditative process, and each video that I share with you, the intentions are helping you, guiding you, encouraging you to welcome these natural remedies, these ancient remedies every day in your life. From the immortal plant aloe vera to the beautiful essential oils that come in small 10 ml bottle. All you need is ड्रॉप्स इन एवरीडे लाइफ, कम से कम दिन में 2 से 4 बार इन ड्रॉप्स को यूज़ करना है। कभी रिस्ट में, कभी डायरेक्टली टेम्पल्स में, कभी 1-2 बूंद ले लिया। एक हॉलिस्टिक एक्सपीरियंस, हेयर में रब कर लिया, और कभी मेरे इस एलोवेरा चैलेंज की तरह जेल में डालकर, I'll take another gel because this I use on my foot. I have a lot. So इस जेल में लेकर राउंड सर्कुलर मूवमेंट्स में, it's very good for your eyebrows and then on your scalp. अगर बच गया सो हाथों में दे दीजिए ये मसाज। So these small practices goes a long way and huge promises they can assure you of, and हर promise आपकी आशाओं पे खरी उतरेगी। कोई ढकोसला false promises नहीं है। True Botox, true collagen for hair, for skin, for your hand and for your overall being. The moment you welcome these natural remedies with me, love you, stay fit, don't take shortcut, don't push cosmetic, don't push creams here. It doesn't need cream, it needs natural ingredients. Don't push hair spa के नाम पे simply creams. Incorporate natural oils, gels, waters, herbs. They will always be beautiful. This is the best way to look gorgeously drop dead beautiful.